Hi guys, so today we're going to learn about one-hot encoding. Now what one-hot encoding generally is the motive of this is in most of the machine learning algorithm, it's imperative to give numerical data. The algorithms doesn't work on categorical data, right? So we have to convert it into some numerical encoding. But if we just use binary encoding, like if we give Roma as 0, Madrid as 1 and Istanbul as 2, then in some way or another we're giving some preference to the cities. Like why is Istanbul 2 and Madrid 1? So for that, what we'll do is we'll use one hot encoding, which won't give any preference to any cities, but it will just encode it right. So for example, if the city is Roma, then it would be encoded as Istanbul 0 and Madrid 0. So this would give the signal to the algorithm that the city is Roma. Similarly, if it's Madrid, it's 0, 1. So all the columns are encoded in just 0 and 1s. And note that if we have three cities, if we have three categorical terms to encode, we only need two features or columns. So if you have n distinct values in the column, it is enough to map them to n minus 1 binary columns. The third column would just be redundant. Alright, fine. So let's get started with the implementation of it. I've already taken the data set. Let me just load it for you guys. So this is my data set. It's California housing data. You can see it online. So our categorical feature is ocean proximity. Let's check it out. So it's data.ocean proximity, right? So these are the values. Let's see how many unique values there are. Data.ocean proximity dot unique. So these are the unique values: nearby, ocean, inland, near ocean, island. All right. Now we have to convert them into one hot encoded labels. Okay. So we'll take a variable, let's call it encoded, and then we'll take the one hot encoded in this variable, and then we'll join this or concatenate this with the data set. So we're gonna use pandas get dummy function in this. It's very convenient. So let's just use pd.get dummies, and the thing I want to one hot encode, so that would be data.ocean proximity. Alright, so that's done. Now I have to concatenate. So we get data is equal to data.join, and that's encoded here. You can also use concat function, but this is just more convenient. So let's see our data now. Our data now can be seen as, see, we've got the one hot encodings here. Now we can drop ocean proximity column because it would be unnecessary because we already got the information in terms of numerical data. So let's just drop that data.drop, and the column is ocean proximity. So it's ocean proximity here with axis equals to 1 and in place is equal to true. So make the in place equals to true, make the changes in the data set. Had this been false, it would have remained the same, right? And axis equals to 1 denotes the columns. We want to drop the column ocean proximity. So let's just make it true. So now we got our data with categorical term converted into the one hot encoded labels. Let's just see these one hot encoded labels. So we get data.iloc, all the rows and the columns from 9 to 15. So see, we've got the one hot encoded labels like this. And that's all the explanation that's required for this. Hope you guys understood it. Thank you.